show you how to put a cord on a weed eater. Take the 4 screws out of the rear housing, separate the rear housing. The recoil is right here. Remove the 8mm bolt, remove the recoil mechanism. Here's the recoil spring. Remove the round peg from the string. Press the peg into this hole. Line up the hole with a pick. Just bring it and push it all the way through so you can get the string through. This hole is aligned so we can put the string in. Place the string through the housing. To make the tip more compact, you can cauterize it with some fire. Then roll it real nice and tight. Place the string through the hole. So we'll just feed it through, but it's going to be really tight. With a pick, push the string as far as you can through the hole. Eventually, you're going to be able to grab it from the other side. Take the pick and just feed it through. Once you get far enough, you can pull the string all the way through. Tie a knot at this end. Slide this knot into the groove and pull the string. Place the retraction mechanism inside. Put the bolt back in. Snug up the bolt. Now the string is connected. Manually recoil the string. It'll just click into place. Reconnect the fuel and the spark. Tighten up all the screws. Now the string's in.